Hello! Today we're going to be showing the history of how bad AI image generation was compared to nowadays. And this is when you didn't specify a model about 2 years ago to OpenAI, and it gave you the base original one, um, which I think was just, I don't know, GPT-4s or DALL-E. It doesn't, you don't specify, so I think it's the DALL-E 1 or GPT-4. Now we're going to be using DALL-E 3, and we're going to be using a project called Shorts AI, and it's basically just going to take make a script. It's going to make images out of this script. It's going to connect the images with FFmpeg and Google Text-to-Speech audio. So to show you a little bit of the history and what it looked like before back in the day, we can see some of these random ones. There's Luffy versus Kakashi. This is
In this epic battle, two iconic characters clash, Luffy from One Piece and Kakashi from Naruto. Luffy, the rubber-powered pirate captain, stands tall on a rocky beach, his straw hat blowing in the wind. Meanwhile, Kakashi, the enigmatic ninja, emerges from the shadows, his Sharingan eye glowing with power. The battle begins as Luffy unleashes his devastating Gum Gum pistol attack, sending a powerful punch towards Kakashi. Kakashi skillfully dodges the attack, swiftly moving through the air with his lightning blade technique. Luffy counters with his gear second technique, increasing his speed and strength, but Kakashi activates his Kamui ability, creating a dimensional barrier that nullifies Luffy's attack. With a powerful Rasengan in hand, Kakashi strikes back, aiming to defeat Luffy. But Luffy,
as you see, just terrible, but the storyline's not that bad. But terrible image generation. Let's go for another one. Build me a website.
Welcome to our video tutorial on how to build a website. The first step is to plan your website's structure and layout. Next, you'll need to choose a domain name for your website.
So basically you get that. So we're going to take this guy and we are going to make a image out of it. And the title of this video currently is History of Japan. So I'm going to go ahead and go next now. Wait for it to run. If you go here and go to the media creator, go to your ID, your new user's ID, and you'll see History of Japan. You'll see nothing inside here. And then once it goes in, or the first screenshot goes in, the screenshot will appear here. And then second, third, and then a video folder. Video might take a little bit to get going. No, it's pretty quick. So we go into video, go into output subtitles, MP4, output's just output images.
Japan is an island nation in East Asia. Japan's history dates back to ancient times. Feudal Japan was ruled by powerful shoguns. Japan went through a period of isolation in the 17th century. The Meiji Restoration brought about modernization and industrialization.
Much more appealing views. Now let's go to one. Actually, no. We'll go. Try something else here. What was that? We'll do Luffy versus Kakashi. Our video is complete. Let's go ahead and check this out.
Luffy, the captain of the Straw Hat Pirates, faces off against Kakashi, the skilled ninja from the Hidden Leaf Village. Luffy unleashes his powerful Gum Gum attacks, while Kakashi uses his Sharingan eye and lightning-fast jutsu. The two warriors clash in an epic battle, each showcasing their unique abilities and strategies. As the fight intensifies, Luffy's determination and Kakashi's cunning tactics come into play. In the end, only one can emerge victorious in this ultimate showdown between pirate and ninja.
The ninja part, right? They know what it is. Image just got worse and worse after time. The reason why the project kind of killed off the original version of the video after the first image was generated is most likely due to the way it's setting up its prompts. If its prompts were better set up, then it could look a lot nicer and stay on the focus, but the AI would have, or like you would have to structure the code so that it remembers exactly what kind of context it's talking about and what context it should be talking about. Um, but just in general, the images are clearly so much better. So AI is doing a great job. Keep it up.